Hello everyone, in this video we shall explore the types of sets and some sets of numbers, usually referred to as special sets. Without wasting my time, please subscribe and let's get going. We will begin by exploring the types of sets based on the number of elements that they have. First and foremost is a finite set. A finite set is a set with a limited or countable number of elements. The last member of a finite set is known and can be found. For instance, the set H contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We can count the elements in this set and the last element of this set can be found and it is known. Therefore, H is a finite set. Next on the list is an infinite set. An infinite set is a set with an unlimited or uncountable number of elements. The last member of an infinite set is unknown and cannot be found. For instance, the set N contains natural or counting numbers. We are only seeing numbers from 1 to 7. However, the three dots, also known as ellipses, indicates that there are still members of the set that have not been listed. So N is an infinite set. Interestingly, some sets have no members at all. A set containing no elements is an empty or null set and is often denoted by the empty curly brackets or the Greek letter phi, but not both of them. M is an empty set as well as N, but S is not an empty set. This is because any symbol or object in the curly bracket is a member of the set under consideration, so the set S is rather a unit set. What then is a unit set? A unit set is a set containing only one element. For example, S contains the Greek letter phi. Now we come to the types of sets based on the relationship they have with other sets. First up are equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same element, irrespective of their order or repetition. So P and Q are equal sets because they have exactly the same elements, with the only difference being their order. Secondly, equivalent sets. Equivalent sets are two sets that have the same number of elements but not necessarily the same elements. For instance, K and L are equivalent sets because they contain the same number of elements. We can always get a one-to-one mapping when we have two equivalent sets under consideration. The next type of set we want to talk about is a universal set. A universal set is a set containing all elements under consideration in a specific context with no repetition. For example, if we are considering sets of numbers, the universal set could be the set of real numbers. Now, a subset. A subset is a set whose entire list of elements are also members of another set. A set A is a subset of B if all elements of A are also elements of B. For instance, all elements of A are also elements of B in the example below. Consequently, A is a subset of B. Again, A is a superset of B if B is a subset of A. For instance, in our example below, B is a subset of A, and for that matter, A is a superset of B. Now, overlapping sets. Two sets are overlapping if they share at least one element. The letter A is a member of both Q and R, so the two sets are said to be overlapping sets. The direct opposite of an overlapping set is a disjoint set. Two sets are disjoint if they have no element in common. For instance, the set X and Y have no element in common and therefore they are disjoint sets. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this video on types of sets. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share this video with your friends, like and comment. For this and more, I'll see you in our next lesson.